Hey guys, I'm so excited to be working with MEXTOUR this year, and to celebrate I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite tomatillo and chile de árbol salsa. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in that description box. So with that being said, let's begin roasting. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by roasting 10 tomatillos. Okay, so after 2 minutes, we're going to flip our tomatillos over and just allow that side to roast for another 2 minutes. Once our tomatillos are done, we're going to remove them and roast 2 garlic cloves. Once done, remove them from the heat. It's going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting and toast 5 chile puyas. And while our chiles are toasting, let me tell you that Mexico is bringing its full star power to the field as it faces teams like Bolivia, Brazil, and Uruguay this year. You don't want to miss out. Get your tickets at somoslocales.com. Once done, remove them and toast 15 chile de árbol. Okay, so after a few seconds, our chiles are done. So we're going to remove them from the heat. So now we can get ready to make our salsa. Okay, so we're going to be chopping half an onion. Okay, so now we're just going to chop half a bunch of cilantro. And once we have our chopped cilantro, we're going to set it to the side. Okay, we're going to begin by smashing down our 2 garlic cloves. Okay, next our chile pods. Okay, so here we're going to add a little water just to help you crush it all the way down. Okay, once we have smashed down our chiles, we're going to begin to add our tomatillos. Just smash down the tomatillos one by one. Okay, so once we have smashed down our tomatillos, this is what our salsa should look like. So now we're just going to add our salt. Okay, now I'm just going to be adding our chopped cilantro and onion. And just like that, we have our delicious salsa. Alrighty, and now we can get ready to serve and enjoy. And I'm just going to keep it very simple. I'm going to have a taco de queso. Of course, this delicious salsa goes perfect with everything. So now, cheers and enjoy. So simple, but so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I'm having my favorite tomatillo and chile de árbol salsa. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.